King Superhero.
Oh my god, guys, my friend Batman is dying. Do you know who killed my friend Batman, guys? Ha 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 ha. Deadpool, I kill your friend Batman. Now I will kill you, all superhero. Ya cha 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 hua cha ya cha. Ha 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 ha, guys, I kill all superhero. I am the king superhero. Hello guys, how are you today? Okay guys, look at this. Wow, many color in the mystery box. Okay, let's search who superhero in the mystery box. Wow guys, look at this. Wow, very strong. Do you know who is this, guys? This is who is green color. Okay, come on, let's start again, guys. Wow, guys, what is this? Wow, look at this. Oh no, guys, help me. Oh no. Just kidding, guys. This is green Dino monster car. Okay, guys, let's fight. Green Dino monster car versus who? 1, 2, 3, go! Go! Oh no, guys, who is die? Green Dino monster car win. Okay, come on, let's start again. Wow, guys, look at this, very strong. Do you know who is this, guys? This is Iron Man. Iron Man is red color. Okay, come on, let's start again. Wow, guys, look at this. Very cool. This is green Dino monster straw. Okay, guys, let's fight. Green Dino monster straw versus Iron Man. And who? 1, 2, 3, go! Guys, Iron Man, and who is die? Green Dino monster straw win. Okay, come on, let's start again. Wow, guys, who is this? Wow, look at this, very strong. This is Thanos. Thanos is purple color. Okay, come on, let's start again. Wow, guys, what is this? Wow, look at this, new color. This is blue Dino monster straw. Okay, guys, let's fight. Blue Dino monster straw versus Thanos. Who and Iron Man. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh no, guys! Iron Man, who and Thanos is die. Blue Dino monster truck win. Okay, come on, let's start again. Wow, guys, look at this. Wow, he have a light. Do you know who is this, guys? This is Spider-Man. Spider-Man is red color and blue color.
Take this!
Okay, come on, let's start again. Wow, guys, look at this. Oh no, help me! Just kidding, guys. Wow, look at this. This is red Dino monster car. Okay, guys, let's fight. Red Dino monster car versus Spider-Man, Iron Man, Hulk, and Thanos. 1, 2, 3, go! Go! Oh no, guys! All superhero is die! Red Dino monster car win! Okay, come on, let's start again. Wow, guys, look at this. Star. Wow. Do you know who is this, guys? This is Captain America. Okay, come on, let's start again. Wow, guys, what is this? Wow, look at this. Very cool. This is yellow supercar. Okay, guys, let's fight. Yellow supercar versus Captain America, Spider-Man, Iron Man, Thanos, and who? 1, 2, 3, go! Go! Oh no, guys! Spider-Man win! Okay, come on, let's start again. Wow! Wow, guys, look at this. Wow! Do you know who is this, guys? This is Phenom. Phenom is black color. Okay, come on, let's start again. Wow, guys, look at this. Very cool. This is green Dino monster truck. Okay, guys, let's fight. Green Dino monster truck versus Batman, Captain America, Spider-Man, Iron Man, Thanos, and who? 1, 2, 3, go! Oh no, guys! All superhero is die! Green Dino monster truck win! Okay, come on, let's start again. Wow, guys! Look at this! Very strong! Do you know who is this, guys? This is Batman, Batman is gray color and black color.
You can see the riding on the pavement. Young kids, they're growing up in basements. Online, a whole new generation. I'ma make mine, so you better go take it. Always, they need a new replacement. Decentralized, can't contain it. We're changing lives, yeah, upgrading. Call it suicide of the older generation.
Okay, come on, let's start again. Wow, guys, look at this. Very beautiful color. This is yellow. Dino monster truck. Okay, guys, let's fight. Yellow Dino monster truck versus Venom, Batman, Captain America, Spiderman, Iron Man, Thanos, and who? 1, 2, 3. Go! Go! Oh no, guys! All superhero is die! Yellow Dino monster truck win! Okay, come on, let's start again. Wow, guys, look at this. Very strong. Do you know who is this, guys? This is Deadpool.
You can see the riding on the pavement. Young kids, they're growing up in basements. Online, a whole new generation. I'ma make mine, so you better go take it. Always, they need a new replacement. Decentralized, can't contain it. We're changing lives, yeah, upgrading. Call it suicide of the older generation.
What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah, we were.
Okay, guys, come on, let's start again. Wow, guys, look at this. Very cool. This is red Dino monster truck. Okay, guys, let's fight. Red Dino monster truck versus 8 superhero. 1, 2, 3. Go! Go! Oh no, guys! Thanos win! Okay, come on, let's start again. Wow, look at this, guys. Very cool. Do you know who is this, guys? This is Black Spiderman.
Shall we dance?
Okay, guys, come on, let's start again. Wow, guys. Wow, new color. This is yellow Dino monster truck. Wow, very beautiful color, guys. Okay, guys, let's fight. Yellow Dino monster truck versus 9 superhero. 1, 2, 3. Go! Oh no, guys! Phenom win! Okay, come on, let's start again. Wow, guys, look at this. Wow, very handsome. Do you know who is this, guys? This is Superman.
You can see the riding on the pavement. Young kids, they're growing up in basements. Online, a whole new generation. I'ma make mine, so you better go take it. Always, they need a new replacement. Decentralized, can't contain it. We're changing lives, yeah, upgrading. Call it suicide of the older generation.
What keeps you up at night?
Okay, come on, let's start again. Wow, guys, look at this. New color. This is red Dino monster truck. Wow, I'm very like it, guys. Okay, guys, let's fight. Red Dino monster truck versus 10 superhero. 1, 2, 3. Go! Go! superhero is die! Red Dino Monster Truck win!
No.